Hey guys, today we are going to solve some important questions of NTSC exam 2020. So the first question is, the SI unit of magnetic field B is ampere into meter. The next question is, the least distance of distinct vision for healthy eyes is 25 centimeter. Where does the image forms in human eye? It's retina. The machine used to produce electric current is generator. Which of the following is used to make solar panel? Silicon. Equivalent resistance in parallel combination of resistance is 1 by R, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Milk is an example of following type of colloid emulsion. The nucleus of an atom contains protons. By whom was neutrons discovered? Charles. A chemical equation is said to be balanced if number of atoms are same in both the sides. A solution turns red litmus into blue is likely to be, its pH will be 4 because it turns red litmus blue means it is a base. Dilution is the process of mixing acid with water. Which type of the reaction takes place when an acid is mixed with water? The exothermic reaction. The ability of metal to be drawn into thin wires is known as ductility. Which of the following non-metal is conductor of electricity? It's graphite. Which gland is only found in mammals? It's mammary gland. DNA of eukaryotes have histone. Which of the following is a monocotyledon? It's all wheat, maize, banana. They all have monocotyledons. Deficiency of which of the hormone causes diabetes mellitus? It's insulin. Which of the following is correct? The synthesis of urea takes place in liver and eukaryotes have mitochondria. Both A and B are correct. Which of the following gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? It's CO2. Which dynasty started coin with the Veena emerald? It's Gupta dynasty. Prayag Prashasti was written by Harishain. Who wrote Padmavat? It was Malik Muhammad Jhansi. Battle of Haldighati was fought in 5076 AD. Who was Shivaji's mother? It was Jijabai. Which Governor General started subsidiary alliance? It was Lord Wellesley. Anant Mat was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who established the Khalsa organization? It was Guru Gobind Singh. Who was the president of first session of Congress? It was Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee. Now the measuring unit of noise is decibels. Chipko movement was started in Uttarakhand. First it was known as Uttar Pradesh. The standard time of India is calculated from 82 degree 30 east longitude. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which state? It's Maharashtra. Conventional sign is certified by Survey Department. Keoladio Ghana Bird Sanctuary is located in Rajasthan. It's the simplest question. The cheapest means of transport is water transport. The main gas pipeline was Hazira to Jagdishpur. It was the first pipeline also. The longest railway route of the world is Trans-Siberian Railway. The next question is, in a democracy, sovereignty resides in the president. Then the next question is, the Chief Election Commission of India is appointed by President. According to which article, untouchability has been abolished by the Constitution of India? It is Article 15. Next question is, the state having maximum population of poor in India is Bihar. Which of the following scheme provide 100 days of unemployment, not employment? So, it's National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Main function of money is, it's a medium of exchange or mode of payment or a price holding. It is a medium of exchange. These are the questions of maths. So there is a right circular cylinder which is enclosed by a sphere. So what will happen? The surface area of sphere is less than the curved surface area of the cylinder. Now 86th question. Correct answer is B. 4. Now this all maths question you have to solve by yourself. So 93 question, correct answer is 42 meters. And the length of an arc of a sector is theta pi 360 into pi r square. So these was all the questions which were important, and if you like the video, please hit the bell icon and like the video. Thank you. Also, not forget to subscribe the channel Disha.